So I'm going to show you in today's video how to turn on camp mode in your Tesla. So what camp mode does is if you're camping in your Tesla, if you enable camp mode, it will allow you to maintain a cabin temperature of your choice, and you'll still be able to use the USB outlets and the voltage outlets in the car. And you can also use this screen to watch TV shows and listen to music. So to turn on camp mode, you want to press the AC button just here. So press this. You'll have to press this twice. And then just on the left there, it will say camp. So you're going to press camp. And you can see car will stay on until battery reaches 20%. Sentry mode, security alarm and walkaway lock will be disabled. So it's going to maintain the temperature in the car as it is. And you'll also still be able to use the USB socket which is in the glove box, and you'll still also be able to use the USB-C outlets as well. So that's how to turn on camp mode. You can also do it using your phone. You go onto the Tesla app, and if you go down to climate here, you'll scroll down. You can see camp mode is already on, but then you can turn it off like so, or you can turn it on just like so as well.